Hello and welcome to JJ Automations. I am your friend Janice. In this video, we will see how you can create a custom commands for the login. Let's begin. A great place to define or override the command is in your Cypress, support and command.js file. Let's remove. To create a custom command, it has a syntax like Cypress dot commands dot add. After that, you need to give the name of your command. We would be naming as login. After that, the callback functions. In a callback functions, you can define the number of arguments that to be required by your custom commands. For the login, you can pass email and a password. Now go back to login.spec files and copy this code, put it over here. Let's remove this value to the what we have passed and remove this password with the argument we have passed and save it. Let's see how we can use this custom command in our spec files. So go back to login.spec files. We'll just comment out this code. Over here, we will be calling our custom command with the cy.login. We will be passing the email address and the password. And let's save it. As we already marked this test case only, so we would be executing only this test case in the login.spec files. Let's open the Cypress with the command npx cypress open and click on the login.spec file. Great, we have successfully executed our first custom command, which is login. We have used the email and password argument to log in to the applications, but in the last video we have already discussed about how we can configure the user details in the cypress.json files. So let's modify our custom commands with the cypress.json files. Let's go back to the command.js. Now remove this argument. In place of email, we'll be using our cypress.json files. Let's go back to login with JSON spec files. So in place of that, we'll be using the email values, and over here we will be calling as a password. So now in our custom commands we are not passing any argument. Let's save it and modify our login.spec files. Now remove this argument. Let's save it. You can rerun your test by clicking on the run all tests. Great, it's working fine. But for base practice, don't make everything a custom commands. It works well when you are needing the behavior across all of your test files like cy.login, cy.setup. However, it is more efficient to write functions for repeatable behavior that is specific to only a single spec files. That's it for today. In the next video, we will see how we can use the fixtures in our spec file. Thank you.